What's up, guys? Just got a bearded dragon. Just came in from EXCALIBUR dragons. Supposed to be a female hypo Italian leatherback. So open up the package, see what we got for a nice early morning unboxing. Man, I'm so pumped. Been waiting all week for this girl. Oof. Came with a nice little birth certificate from EXCALIBUR. Hatch date 4/7/2015. Father is Sultan, a red citrus hypo, and the mother is Vega, hypo, red Italian leatherback, 66% possible het trans. So I'll show you this certificate. It's pretty, hope y'all can see it, pretty cool touch. The owner is Kyle Thwain. So, without further ado, let's do this. Looks like you put a bunch of cut up pieces of newspaper in here. Nice EXCALIBUR bag. There's a nice little knot on here. See if I can. What? Cut this up. It's alright, little mama. Almost got you out of here. Little mama. Hey, little mama. Oh man, wow. This is she's really little. I don't know if this is focusing, but see if you guys can see her, but she looks really healthy, but wow, she is a little girl. Let's see if we can take this camera. You guys can see a little bit better, but hey, little mama. Wow. She is super smooth, and I am very happy with her quality. So I think she'll make a nice addition to my colony. She's now my third bearded dragon. Beautiful little mama. I'm not sure what I'm gonna name her yet, but welcome to the Bubba family. I got my other two down there. I got the Dunner leatherback, and I got a hypo normal scale. Hey little mama. Well, let me warm her up and then get her in her tank, and I'll give you guys an update shortly. Alright, so here's little Juniper, Italian leatherback, hypo. So hopefully you guys can see her now, and hopefully that camera lens is gonna focus, but she's actually doing really good. She has a big appetite, running around, definitely got accustomed to her new cage, eating veggies, everything really. So I just wanted you guys to see her because I know it didn't really focus before, but yeah, I've been giving her bats every day. Actually gave her some vitamins yesterday too. But yeah, she's real tame, doing good. It's a little energetic, but that's normal. But yeah, so that's her. So I'm just gonna tack this video on to the end of the unboxing. And that's baby Juniper. I'll give you more updates probably in like a month just to see how she's doing.